After introducing us to their wide-body CLR GT kit for the Velar last month, tuner Lumma Design has now finalized another conversion that makes the premium SUV look more sporty. It all starts with the custom wheel arch extensions that widen the vehicle by approximately 30 mm, 1.18 in, on each side. The parts can be fitted easily thanks to the adhesive mounting, with customers then able to mount Lumma's own 22 inches and 23 inches wheels on their standard Velars thanks to these extensions. The tuner also prepared a new front grille design to go with the rear spoiler lip, side mirror caps and rear diffuser. Opting for the regular sport grille means spending €419, $516, taxes included, whereas the grille that doesn't feature design bars costs €409, $503. For the interior, the tuner's customization program will offer an aluminum pedal set, special upholstery, a sports steering wheel, bespoke seats, as well as floor and boot carpet mats embroidered with the Lumma Design logo. Lumma is also working on performance upgrades for both petrol and diesel versions of the Range Rover Velar, to add some extra go in all that show.